Meaning of eureka.
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 Eureka. Eureka is an exclamation of joy or triumph, often uttered upon finding or discovering something of great value or significance. The term originated from the ancient Greek word eureka, meaning "I have found it." This exclamation is commonly associated with Archimedes, a famous mathematician and inventor who allegedly shouted eureka after discovering the principle of buoyancy while taking a bath. Today, eureka is used to express excitement and achievement, particularly in scientific and creative endeavors, when a breakthrough or solution has been reached after much effort and frustration.